The topic of today's sermon is, are you more concerned about wealth than God? Nowadays, what is paramount to the affluent people is how to amass more wealth in order to maintain their opulent lifestyle. Even if you are not rich, that does not mean you are obedient, or it signifies that you are using your rented soul justly. So give yourself a check. Are you more concerned about acquiring wealth than a rich relationship with God? Most of the wealthy people are like the biblical rich fool because they are mostly concerned about themselves. They are so selfish to the extent that they are only concerned about their own interest and pleasure. Numerous of them are inconsiderate because they neither care about the poor nor assist the needy. These people are not thinking about the kingdom of God. All they care about are their investments and enjoyment. Majority of the wealthy people are thoughtless of laying their treasures in heaven. The ambition of countless of them is to amass wealth instead of having a rich relationship with God. This can be found in the book of Luke chapter 12, verses 16 to 21. But I'll only read a passage. But God said to him, "Fool, this night your soul will be required of you. Then whose will those things be which you have provided? So is he who lays up treasure for himself and is not rich towards God." Now I have questions. Is your aspiration about how to hoard possession in this world? How can you describe your relationship with God? Are you insensitive to the plights of the poor? Is your self-centered attitude making you abandon or reject what matters to the Lord? What is the assurance that your soul will enjoy the wealth obtained and stockpiled by hurting or inconvenience others? Do not procrastinate. Change today before God asks for your soul, because he owns your life. May the Lord bless his words.